Good morning, YouTube. Sexy Mama Jammas. Early morning, 4 a.m. We're going to split the drive. We're 15 hours away. We're going to do 8. Park around noon, 1-ish. Do our 10. Get back on around 9. No. Yeah. Probably going to do 8 or 10 today. Do our 10, and then get up and finish the remaining 5 or 7. It just depends on conditions and all that. So, but we'll be right there on time at 5 a.m. delivery. As long as we don't have any delays along the way. We'll get through Houston and hopefully through Baton Rouge. By the time we get to Baton Rouge, hopefully the morning congestion is cleared out. But we should be at Houston. We're getting ready. We're 15 miles from there. So, anyway, let me stop yapping and get to getting before traffic becomes an issue. Thanks for being here, y'all. Appreciate all the support. Let's get to getting. I just put into the GPS. The goal is the Mariana, the pilot there in Mariana, Florida, where that Walmart is. That's 10 hours and 15 minutes. I'll probably knock it about 15. I can do that in 10 hours. And then that'll put me 5 hours away. So that's the goal. Is the pilot in Mariana, Florida. 679 miles away. Let's go.
Crack a monster, greet the sun. Big blues humming, ready to run. No stacks, no shine, just steady and true. Rolling proud in that deep blue hue. Daylight miles, the highway calls. I was born to chase it all. Sunrise and steel, that's how I ride. Rolling strong with the morning sky. From the hills to the county lines, chasing white lines in the daylight shine. Big blue hums and the world feels right. I was made for driving in the light. 2024 built to last. Smooth and clean, he's built for fast. Hands on the wheel, I hold it tight. No scars, just skill, it's a driver's right. Hammer down, let the engine sing. Hear that road beneath me ring. Sunrise and steel, that's how I ride. Rolling strong with the morning sky. From the hills to the county lines, chasing white lines in the daylight shine. Big blue homes and the world feels right. I was made for driving in the light. 2024 built to last. Smooth and clean, he's built for fast. Hands on the wheel, I hold it tight. No scars, just skill, it's a driver's right. Hammer down, let the engine sing. Hear that road beneath me ring. Sunrise and steel, that's how I ride. Rolling strong with the morning sky. From the hills to the county lines, chasing white lines in the daylight shine. Big blue homes and the world feels right. I was made for driving in the light. Sunrise and steel, that's my life. No shadow roads, just the sun and this heavy load. Every mile is fresh and new. Me and Big Blue pushing through. Sunrise and steel, that's my life. That's my life.
Big cinematic guitar solo. Engine hum fades under open blue sky.
Delete clips before this besides the intro. Alright, we're here to pilot in Orange, Texas, right on the state line. We've got fuel, and we've been going a couple hours, so we're going to let a 30 go out, because by the time the next 8 runs out, we'll be parked. I got a Wendy's here, but they don't open till later, so I'm munching on pork rinds that I have left over from last night. Alright, so I just heard a loud pop. I know it's a blowout. And it felt like, it sounded so loud and close, it feels like a tractor trailer, a tractor tire. But the shoulder is not wide enough. I got an extremely light load. So I initially started to pull over, and I was like, yeah, it's just not wide enough. It's not safe. But I know I'm 4 miles from this exit. There's a truck stop here. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get to that. I'm 2.8 miles from it, actually. I'm gonna get off here and then get out and inspect the damage. See what the deal is. But it sounded like, I know how you know how noise travels when you're in a vehicle or whatever, so it's kind of hard to determine exactly where it's at. But it sounded and felt like it was my passenger side. Yeah, that's what I felt a jolt, so that's why I believe it's a tractor tire. It's probably one of the front axle tires. So those are the ones I was planning on getting replaced this month. Those are the original tires that came on here, but the treader's still good, so I wasn't in no big hurry. Remember when I got those 4 drives in the rear in August, September? I was going to get the other 4 this month. That was the plan. So anyhow, I'm keeping an eye out though, just to see if I see any. I don't see no debris, and it was a little darker. I mean, it was a few minutes ago. As soon as I heard it, I looked in the back. I didn't see no debris flying out or nothing. I don't see no rubber spitting. I don't see any smoke. That's, ideally you want to pull over immediately, but this shoulder's not wide enough. It's just not. I mean, it's technically wide enough, but it's not safe. So with all the conditions that I mentioned, light load, 4 miles away, or I was, now I'm like 1.4 miles away from an exit, I decided to just keep moving. But keeping an eye on everything back here. But when we get up here, we'll stop and find out what the issue is. Oh, and I'm driving slow. I'm going 50 miles an hour right now. You hear my flashes are on because I'm in a 75 mile an hour zone. Like I said, I felt like it was the passenger side. But since we're here, let's check out the driver's side. Those are fine. Passenger side. Hey, what? Well, those are fine too. The hell? Well, those are fine. And all those are fine. What the fuck? Man, I heard something loud. I didn't hit nothing that I saw. I didn't run over anything. Maybe an airbag? Reach in here. That one's hard. That one's hard. Airbags are fine. I heard something. What the hell was it? I don't know. I didn't. Let's see if I can't pull it up on my dash cam. Fucking bird. I want to try to. Look at the very top of the screen. That's a freeze frame. A dove, a bird, pigeon. Hit me right up there. Okay, well. Now we know. I'm going to, was this one it? No, it was this one. Yep, I'm gonna download this clip. I'll see if I can't remember to import it in the video. Okay, fucking bird. That was a loud thunk. Alright, enough time of this event. At least, okay, now we know. Because I was looking at the airbags, even the bunk air, the sleeper airbags, the truck airbags, the trailer airbags, looking at brake hubs and seals, and not seals, but brake hubs, looking at. That was confusing as shit. And I remembered, hey, I got a dash cam that's always recording. Bird attack. Yo, shout out to Big Boy. I don't know his name. I didn't get his name. I was just driving. He's like, yo, country, is that you? Yes, sir. Driving a big old flatbed back there, had an oversized load. I think I had a dozer or something on the back of that thing. He said, hey, watch your videos. I like them. Thank you so much, brother. I said, thank you so much. Shout out to you. He said, I didn't get your name, but just be safe. Thanks for shouting and hollering at me on the CB. I don't always have it on because sometimes, especially in this area, there's a lot of, like, you know, them home base fuckers. Blah, 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 them sons of bitches that annoy you, and I turn it down a lot of times. But I happen to have it up this time when you holler, so shout out to you. And I say it all the time to you guys out here, man. You see me, holler at me, whether it be at a CB or at the truck stop or wherever. Say hi to me. I appreciate that. But I downloaded that. I'm gonna input that right here. This is the bird. I'm gonna do a freeze frame, then I'm gonna do the full speed video, and you'll hear what I heard. It's not as loud as what I heard it, but it still picked up the audio. So look at the attack of the birds, man. I ain't even got out to look at my hood yet. Maybe there's blood up there. I don't know. Or my roof rather, not my hood. Tell my buddy Ronnie about it. He was talking about how he's had an owl hit him at once, a falcon or a hawk or whatever hit him. He got stuck in the grill until he got to where he was going, and then I remember the story of a buddy of mine, or a guy from Schneider, when I was still working there. He sent me a picture His whole passenger side, half of his windshield was shattered. The framing was all messed up. Like, what the hell happened? He said a turkey flew out in front of him. Holy shit. So, yeah, birds, man, they can destroy us. Luckily, mine just hit up there. I'm going to have to look when I get parked to see if there's actually any physical damage or not. But, yeah, fucking birds, man. They bring down airplanes. They mess up truck drivers. I don't know how much further I'm going to be able to go, to be honest. But I'm looking, I want to do at least 4 more hours. That'll put me 7 hours away. That way, once I get a 10 out, I get up, I'll be just 7 hours to go. That's the idea. The damn time changes make it tighter than it should be, because that time change always screws me up, because my math is not accounting for that on the initial plan. It's so stupid, because I keep forgetting about time change. Alright, I-10 eastbound, Lafayette, Louisiana, mile marker 107, 108. Way station, way in motion, way station. I see red letters, but it doesn't say closed, and it does say closed. Even though Trucker Pass says open, the sign says closed. Oh, that's why they're closed, because they got a full lane. Okay, I like it. I like it, Picasso. Here we go, we keep on going. We're going to stop at the Tiger Truck Stop and have some breakfast. See that little sign above the trailer? See the road sign over there? Yeah, some of the Tiger Truck Stop. And I just had breakfast. Some eggs, some sausage, some bacon. I didn't even show you, I scarfed it down. I'm telling you, my body's not used to the schedule that I want to do. Excuse me, it's 9 o'clock local. Which means Baton Rouge is still going to be a pain. But I've been needing to operate on Eastern time, so technically it's 10:07. Which is when I said it was 4 a.m. this morning when I started. That was Eastern time. It was 3 a.m. in Brookshire, Texas. So I'm going to try to figure out whether I want to take a nap, split the split, all that good stuff, because I don't know. I was already tired. It was sleepy. Now my belly's full. We know that recipe. I feel like I need to take a nap. I don't want to. I told you, safety first, 100%. And I know my limits. We'll see what happens. Bros. My stomach. I feel like I just need to upchuck, and I can't do it. It's brutal. We're going to do our best to get as far as we can. We're going to get there, so not as far as we can. Well, I guess it is as far as we can, because you get too damn sick and I start puking driving down the road. I mean, that'll be fun. I got a bucket right beside of me just in case. I just drank a big old orange juice and I'm chugging water. Give that time to kick in. Let's go. Damn it, my eyes hurt. I'm hot, I'm cold, can't get the damn thermometer right. This sucks. As long as I feel like I'm not going to kill nobody, we're going to keep on going. But if I wind up feeling that way, again, I'll park the bitch. I'm number one safety. I'm not going to kill nobody, and I'm going to protect my license. But we're just going to hope it doesn't get that far. Baton Rouge is still a pain in the ass. I was going to head out earlier, then I heard of the CB. There was a big ass wreck. I-10 was shut down, said it was going to be for hours, so I went ahead and just finished at a 10 versus a split, and it's still jacked up. And it just hit me. Daytona 500 traffic is this weekend. I'm pretty sure a lot of this has to do with that. And the construction in Baton Rouge, left lane closures and all that crap. What it is, we're going to keep on going, y'all. I can't do it. Call me whatever you want. Soft, bitch, pussy, rookie. It's not sleepy. It's something else. I need to get some. Walk inside. I'm at TA in Slidell. I'm gonna get a hot shower. Try to steam this shit out of me. I'm gonna get some ibuprofen, because it's like it's all right here and behind my eyes. I'm not clogged in the nostril or in the chest. My stomach is all jacked up. I feel like I need to puke, but I can't. I just can't do it. I'm not safe. I'm not safe. Now, is this going to affect my relationship with this agent? Probably. Is it going to affect my relationship with Mercer? Probably. But I'm hoping I can repair those relationships. I mean, I will not drive safe. Unsafe. I will not do it. I'm not. I've said it from the beginning of this channel. I refuse to ever be a statistic if I have control over it. So you can call me whatever you want. It doesn't matter. But I'm gonna go inside this TA, get a nice hot steaming shower, and just kind of sweat whatever the hell this is. But I can't do it, guys, and I know they can't deliver on weekends, so I'm gonna have to hold on to it till Monday. I'm gonna have to contact my dad. I'm gonna send my coordinator a text message. I know he's asleep, but once he wakes up, he'll see it first thing and deal with it. This fucking sucks. This sucks. It's like throbbing. Boom, 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 boom. Anyway, I got to take care of myself. I got to figure out how to get better. I'm hydrated. The orange juice, I don't know if it did anything or not. But I took 2 big old things of water. I don't know. Anyway, I gotta go. I gotta take care of myself and message the coordinator. Y'all have a good night, guys. I appreciate all your support. Yeah. I'll see you whenever. Yeah, I had to go back and watch that last recorded clip to see where we left off. We left off Thursday night when I parked at the TA in Slidell, Louisiana. After that clip, I went back to the back and I laid down and I passed out. A few hours later, I woke up. It was about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. I went into the TA, took a nice, hot, steamy shower. Just kind of stood there for forever. I was dizzy as hell, head's throbbing. I never got any congestion, like in my sinuses or my chest or anything. And came back to the truck, and I'd say over the last 24, 48, 72, 80 hours, I probably slept 65 of them, 60 of them at least. Today's now Sunday. We're still at the TA. We're getting ready to leave out now. We had text messages through my coordinator. They were rescheduled till Monday, 7 a.m. I don't know what it was. I feel much better now. I still have a little pain back here in the head. Remember Thursday morning at the Tiger truck stop when I had breakfast? Got those eggs and sausage and bacon and stuff. I haven't eaten since then. It's a Sunday. I've been drinking nothing but water. I have had no monsters. I haven't left the truck since I came back to the truck after that shower. So I haven't eaten. Yesterday afternoon, I cooked some bacon in the microwave. Outside of that bacon, I haven't eaten anything. Just nothing but water. Water. But now, I'm going to get ready to roll out and drive the rest of the way and get there for 7 a.m. delivery. But I'm gonna go into the Country Pride restaurant. I'm gonna get some food. I'm hungry. My belly is rumbling now. I'm hungry. So what I want a cheeseburger. I want a cheeseburger and fries, and that's what I'm gonna have. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fuel up here because this is the cheapest along the route, or just as cheap as along the route. And we're gonna head towards Orlando. Race traffic shouldn't be a big deal because the race will be going on by the time when I'm driving through Daytona. So that shouldn't be an issue at all. No traffic wise anyway, because everybody will be at the race. So I should not have to deal with race traffic. Man, I just been whatever. When I get parked this evening is when I'm going to finally close out this video and have it uploaded tomorrow for Monday, because you haven't had a video since Thursday. So Friday says you'll have 3 days no videos. It sucks, but I'm well enough to get going again. So let's get to getting. Well, after not eating any food for nearly 4 days, probably wasn't a good idea to eat that heavy. Damn, it was good. A nice little double bacon burger with egg on it, some fries. I had a side salad. That's a good burger. And this will be my first Monster Pop since then as well. I'm not normally a fan of the original Monster Zero, but here lately I've kind of acquired a taste for it. So we'll see. We're going to be heading out of here shortly, and what do we have? 9.5 hours to get to on site. We know we can park overnight because we did it last time. Well, if I take the tollway, it's 9 hours and 1 minute. If I don't, I believe it's 9.5. If I just go into Jacksonville, take 95 straight down. It's kind of the way I want to go, just to avoid the tolls, right? Oh, well, there's still a little bit of tolls I'll be encountering if I did go that route. Oh yeah, because Orlando, yeah. I'm an idiot. For whatever reason, I think Orlando is where Daytona is, right on the coast. It's not. Orlando is more inland. Geographically, my brain sucks when it comes to these things. All right, so we'll probably just take 75 down, take over the down around Ocala, take the turnpike over. Oh well, it is what it is. Alright, let's get moving. Mardi Gras also starts this week. I realized I'm in Slidell, I'm in the New Orleans area, so apparently they had their parade here Friday night. Okay, this is the big weekend for Mardi Gras starting. Official Mardi Gras starts, I googled it. When does Mardi Gras start? It says the 17th. So, big party around here these next week or so. Alright, let me stop yapping. Belly full, gotta get the fuel full, and then we move on. Big old ship over there in the cargo area, or the cruise ship area, cargo. It's like a big Red Cross ship. It's got a bunch of red crosses over it. It's a big medical ship. I don't know what that is. Right here in Mobile, Alabama. Right, Mobile, Alabama. See some big old ships over there. Looks like some decommissioned ships. I don't know, that can't be the Alabama there, is it? Maybe it is. I don't think that would be it right there. But there's that's an old shipping yard. Okay, that's dry dock. That's out the Alabama. The Alabama's on the water still, right? I don't know. Never really paid attention, took notice over there. But the big red crosses caught my eye this time, along with those cranes that were on top of it. Or up in the air around it, I should say. So, I don't know if that's always been there. I mean, I've been through here many a times. You know, y'all know this is one of my favorite routes to run is I-10, east to west. I like it down here. I like it down here in the south. Now we got a little tunnel to go through. Here in Mobile, we're going under the river. I don't want to use the word cool, but wouldn't it be something if right now a gush of water just came out the ceiling and just... Yeah, that wouldn't be cool at all, by any means, for me. Or yeah, nobody would see the footage. I'm pretty sure the water would corrode the SD card, the camera footage. So I just envisioned in my head what it would look like. I don't know, maybe I'm weird thinking crap like that. What is this, the bay? The Pocas Bay? I can't really, Spanish River? I can't really focus on the GPS hard enough to focus on that fine print. I don't know, Polar Cat Bay? I don't know what it is. I guess that would be back here where the Alabama is. Battleship Park to the right. I just know I've seen it on another road coming through here at one point. I don't remember where the hell it was. I thought it was further down because I remember getting on. Why did I sound like that just now? Further down. I thought it was further down. A bunch of containers over there. I don't know, I guess it's over there to the right somewhere. I can't really tell. I can't know. I ain't really. Let me shut up, because I already sound like an idiot right now. Further down, it's that Bluegill restaurant. That just sounds like a good place to eat. Nice seafood. Seafood? I want some seafood. Not right now, maybe one day. I would like to spend a weekend here in Mobile just to go 3 or 4 days just to go see some sightseeing stuff, right? I would like to go to the USS Alabama, take a tour of that, go over to those other ships that are over there, and maybe whatever else they have around here, military-wise. I would. Okay, Florida. That. I guess we'll find out in a little bit. Florida state line at Cascadia County. Florida welcomes you. Oh, bless your heart. And the Aggie station. Gotta pull in because I can't figure out how not to get in trouble. I worry about it if I try to pass it. I don't know. Some say you can do it. Some days you gotta go. Who knows? Right, I-10, exit 142, Marietta, Florida. Ideal spot when we pull onto this lot will be straight ahead in the corner area. That's because that's the part of the lot of Pilot that connects to the Walmart lot. I would nosedive in, run into Walmart real quick, get what I need, and get the hell back out, and then continue heading east. Alright, I get a yellow light. Now I got a red arrow. Turn that blinker off. We have been driving for 4 hours and 12 minutes. So we've got about 4.5 hours yet to go. It's 5 o'clock Eastern time right now, so we're still Central time though. 4 o'clock to me. We'll lose that hour here in a little bit though. Yeah, if you ain't never been to this Pilot, there's a Waffle House here. Oh, that's what they were building there. Last time I was here, they were still building this thing to my left. It's a Starbucks. Okay. Inside the Pilot, it's got an Arby's. Across the street to the right here, it's got a Wendy's. That's where life on 18 wheels. Me and him met up here one day. He took me to lunch here at Wendy's that one day. I still owe him lunch, so if we ever come across each other again out here 18, I still owe you lunch. Oh, they're rebuilding. They're remodeling the Pilot. Ooh, or at least the store, or at least the exterior. I'm not sure what they're doing on the inside, if anything. Oh, there's a bunch of containers back here. Yeah. So what are they doing? Let's see. We have a spot back there. Once we get in here to the right, we've got straight ahead. See if there's any spots open. There's one in the corner that's got a dumpster in the way. So okay. The far end does not have nothing open. Ooh, that's a yes. Oh, it does. It does actually. Not to where I want to dive into, because don't need to dive into it. There's a spot here on the left that'd be just as good. It looks like there is beside of that silver or gray Volvo. Turn my blinky blinks on. Nice little blind side, Mona. I can pull in this spot right to my left, or I can see if this one's open, and it is, and it's a straight back, so that'll work for me once he gets pulled in. Then I will make a right, and I'll do a straight back to this place on my left. And then I would just walk straight ahead past that dumpster and go to the Wally World. Mona, are you good? Alright, so let me do my little spiel here. Oops. There we go. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off here, get it editing. I'm gonna do a split here, and then I'm only 4.5 hours away. Appointment's at 7 a.m. So I'll leave out here about 2. And because there's storms going on right now in that area, I'm just going to avoid the storms. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and do a split, close the video, edit it, get it up for you guys for tomorrow, or for today now, Monday. I appreciate all the support. I just had a couple comments asking if I was okay, because I haven't even responded. I didn't realize that I haven't even responded to Thursday's videos yet, much less when I put that post up on the community post up on Friday saying there was no video, or whatever day it was, said there's no video today. I'll try to get one up tomorrow. Yeah, it was Friday. I just was knocked out ever since then. So anyway, appreciate all the support and looking out. Have a good night. I will see you tomorrow.